That's the leg. What's the other thing over there?
Empty this.
A thigh. Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on, girl. Oh, wait, I need my phone. Oh, you kicked out. You kicked her out.
Huh?
You kicked her out of her.
No.
Yes, you did.
I'm in South Carolina ready to cook some food. What's up, my beautiful people? Kenny Good Vibes TV there one more time with another beautiful video. Today, guys, easy and simple, I am making some brown stew chicken and white rice today for dinner. Thank you very much for joining me. Let's get on with the video. Come on, so we have some Irish potato, we have sweet pepper, yeah. We have some olive oil right here, we got Old Bay, we got some crushed garlic, we got some all-purpose season, black pepper, salt, I got browning, you understand, we got onion, tomato, some flavored soup mix. We have some baby carrots gonna go into my thing. We got some jasmine rice. Let's get it on, guys, and right now we have some leg quarter. Yeah man, time for dinner. First thing as usual, gonna go ahead and start wash up. Yeah man. You know the routine, guys. Kenny Good Vibes TV always start off with washing. You understand? Wash and clean up wherever you're gonna cook. What I'm gonna do is separate this part, that's the back right there, and then separate the thighs. Yeah. Then I'll also clean up just to make sure not a lot of fat is on there. Go ahead and give that a nice wash before I put the seasoning on there. Make sure, you know, it's washed clean and properly. And that is looking wonderful at the moment. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so now that my chicken is well cut up and ready, all the fats are removed, and we give it a second wash after cutting up. Now it's time to go ahead and add my seasoning. So with my seasoning, I go ahead first with the all-purpose season. All-purpose season first on it. But I go in with some minced garlic. This is brand new, don't open it. Add some Old Bay. Sprinkle with love, guys. Remember, Jamaican have a style named Sprinkle with Love. It's hard for you to learn this style, but it is still there. It's called Sprinkle with Love. For the black pepper, same thing. Sprinkle, of course, a little bit of salt, not too much. Not too much, because you don't want to oversalt it. The browning, you gotta be real careful with the browning. But I know what to do, so. And this is what I'm gonna do. So as I say, guys, remember, sprinkle with love. And if you feel like it could take some more, feel free. Sprinkle some more. I understand it could definitely take some more Old Bay. Change the color some more with some naturality. Alright. Beautiful, guys, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that, amazing. Look at that. Could never been better. We are gonna do this old-fashioned style, okay? Old-fashioned style. If you know what old-fashioned style means, it means we're gonna fry it up first, and then we move on from there with the natural seasonings such as the Irish potato, the sweet pepper, the onion, etc. So, Kenny Good Vibes TV, thank you very much for joining. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please subscribe. So we're gonna start frying them up first, and then I cut up the vegetable. Easy and simple. Let's go. So in this case, I think we're at already. Yeah. In the meantime, the chicken is doing its thing. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up the vegetables. Keep watching. Don't try this at home, guys. See that? Easy and simple, clean it up and take it out like that. Always got to keep a check. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. I'll go ahead and cut them like this. You could never go wrong when you cut everything in a certain shape, because then they will cook at the same time. Almost in the same way of the sweet pepper. Irish potato, I'm gonna go ahead like this. Look how beautiful that is. These tomatoes are gonna be like that. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, Irish potato, onion, tomato, sweet pepper. Yeah, that can make it. And don't forget, got some baby carrots. I'm gonna just put a few of those in there. These look like they're ready. Two side looking like that. Look at that. Wonderful. This is what you're looking for. Wonderful. And now that the chicken is at this stage, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of chicken that I already took out. Just like that. Just cover that. Simmer, okay? And I also add a quarter cup of water after 2 minutes. Look at that. For some extra taste, I'm gonna go in with some sweet baby Ray barbecue sauce. Sprinkle with love, guys, remember? Have some ketchup. Yeah, that meant that boat, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a decent spin in the pot. And I'm gonna taste it and just to see what more it wants or what more it can take. I don't know, my fresh vegetable, sprinkle that all over. And I use that spoon, see if you can set that, that way you can get it to go down into the gravy. Then I cover the pot and let that shrink. So for my flavored soup mix, I'm gonna go ahead and add some. Just look at that. Could never been better. Go ahead and make sure my noodle gets soaky in because guys, this is gonna be wonderful. Look at that, beautiful. Brown stew chicken, guys. This is gonna be so good. The smell, oh my god, this one tastes so good. Yeah man, so I put that on low, make that go and simmer. Rice almost ready. Look at that. Ooh, could have never been better. Yeah man, authentic Jamaican brown stew chicken, you know what I mean? Yeah, giving them a taste of the Jamaican authentic brown stew chicken. What more could you need? Look at that. Oh my god, see the chicken's already falling off the bone. Look at this. See that? Chicken falling off the bone, guys. Could never get better. Look at this. My food is ready, so it's time to share. People yard me there, I'm gonna cook for people. So everybody's gonna come and get them food. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Kenny Good Vibes TV.